Decoding job fairs, a business affair or opportunity playground? Are job fairs just another business venture, or do they truly provide valuable opportunities for job seekers? Let's delve into this intriguing question. Job fairs have become a bustling hub of activity, attracting both eager job hunters and companies looking to fill crucial positions. But are these events solely profit-driven, or do they genuinely serve as a playground for new opportunities? On the surface, it's easy to see why some perceive job fairs as big business. Companies invest a considerable amount of time, effort, and resources to showcase their organizations and attract top talent. These events create a platform for businesses to pitch their offerings and position themselves as employers of choice. But let's not forget the other side of the coin. Job fairs also provide an extraordinary opportunity for job seekers. They offer a one-stop shop for job hunters to explore various industries, interact with potential employers, and network with like-minded individuals. It's a chance to showcase their skills, aptitude, and personality directly to hiring managers. Moreover, job fairs often feature additional resources like resume-building workshops, interview tips, and career coaching, all aimed at empowering individuals in their quest for employment. It's an environment tailored to support applicants in finding their dream job. So, are job fairs a business affair or an opportunity playground? The truth lies in the balance. Yes, companies attend to further their business interests, but they also recognize the unparalleled potential that job fairs present to connect with exceptional talent. Job seekers, on the other hand, have the power to seize opportunities, make valuable connections, and land their dream jobs. In conclusion, job fairs capture the essence of both a business venture and an opportunity playground. They bring together organizations and individuals in a mutually beneficial environment, creating a win-win situation for all involved. So, whether you're a company seeking the best talent or a job seeker yearning for new prospects, job fairs offer a unique platform to ignite your future. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.